Hello, Dr. Shaw here, and welcome to another episode of Teaching Humanity Remotely. Today I would like to discuss the gift of grace and how, or if it does differ from other positive attributes that one may be given. So I have a friend, and she said to me, "Do you think I was given too much grace that allowed me to continue bad practice as a teacher?" And I really thought about it, and here's my opinion about that. I think that grace is given through me, not because of me. In other words, when I give grace, it's a gift. So if it's a gift that is given from me to another, then that is a gift that needs to be received by the other. It's kind of divine, right? Grace gets received and given in spite of ourselves. That's how I hold the word grace. As opposed to being supportive in a way that is enabling. If I enable you, I don't think anything good comes from that. And I think it's not good for the enabler or the enablee. Because if I enable you, what I'm telling you is that you can't do it without me. So it makes me way too powerful. And the only time I am too powerful in my life is when I feel out of control and insecure. That's when I can be a bulldozer. When I'm in my center and I'm feeling balanced, then I know my place. So the only time that I do not stay in my place is when I am really not at my best. If I'm balanced, I don't need to control you. It's only when I'm imbalanced. So therefore, I feel I can support a person in a way that is a disadvantage to the person and to myself. When I am an enabler, I am telling the other person that they can't do it without me. So I'm keeping that person down. I'm keeping myself more powerful than I deserve. And there's a kind of arrogance about that. So in all of that, I don't think being an enabler is the right action. I feel being supportive by saying, I will help you in any way I can, with parameters of seeing that you are also helping yourself. I'll lift you up if you fall, but I'm going to be aware of my place. And I'm going to be aware of your commitment to yourself and what you believe your place is. And all of that possibility of enabling, that is not about grace. Grace is an unconditional kind of support, faith, trust, hope, risk that you take based on your belief system and your trust and hope that by supporting this person, you are holding the space that they will be successful. And when it comes to grace, it's not as if I give it to you. It's that I get out of the way, and through this divine energy, something is given. And in the giving of it, I receive that same grace, and in the person receiving the grace, they receive the same grace. So I see grace in a different way, and I don't think there's any negative aspect of giving and receiving grace. But I do feel that enabling, which is very different, is very negative, because it's really showing the person that you believe they can't do it. And I think as people in the world, we want to uplift each other, and we want to show the people that we love that we believe they can do it. So I caution myself and anyone else who has a tendency to be an enabler, because it really makes the person who is enabling more important than they think they are. So that's what I think. And it makes the person who's getting enabled less important than they really are. Everybody has 100% possibility to do their part, and only their part. We don't do each other's part. I hope this resonates with you. Until next time, please feel free to visit my daily TikToks at Dr. Minmin. Also, feel free to look at my bio and see my books on Dr. Mindy Shaw paperbacks on Amazon. Until next time, let's see if we can experience the difference between grace and enabling, and see if we have a similar or different understanding. And please feel free to comment on my understanding. Until next time, be well.